Everyone, today we will discuss about the package of Microsoft Office Suite. It is practical based chapter. Microsoft Office Suites includes Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access and any other. So today we will learn Microsoft Office Word 2007 or 10. It is a word processing software. We learn basic concepts and features, creating how to save, editing, formatting, printing documents, and working on multiple documents. All the important features of Microsoft Office Word we will learn now. There are many ways to start or open Microsoft Word 2007 or 10. So step 1, click on Windows Start button, then click on All Apps, then click on Microsoft Office, then click on Microsoft Office Word 2007 or 2010. Okay, so here the Microsoft Windows Word windows will appear. So now see, this type of windows will appear, that is Microsoft Word window. The first bar you can see written document 1 Microsoft Word, so that is called title bar, and the second bar is called as the menu bar, or we can say that is one tab, and the third one is called a ribbon. Some of the menus or tabs, you can see the number 1 file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, table, window, help. So here you can see the image of Microsoft Word window. So look at the arrow mark. So here left side top left corner there is one office button is there. So there are some menus are there, like new, open, save, save as, print, and other features are there. If we will click new option, then blank document click, so there we can open a new document. If we want to open existing document, that means we have already prepared document saved, so we can click open, then choose the location where we have saved, then click open option. So like this, there is a home button, home menu, that is there clipboard option is there, clipboard group, you can see the arrow mark. So here format painter, cut, copy, paste options are there, we can use. Then font group is there. So here font size, cursive handwriting, we can change font size, we can decrease size, we can do bold, italic, underline, superscript, subscript, and we can do also change case. Using this Microsoft Word software, we can prepare assignments, projects, and we can make the document attractive, colorful. So now see how we will increase the font size. Just select your text, then click on font size option, or there one increasing option is there, just capital A written, just click there, or just click and select the font size. Suppose we want to give a bold, italic and underline option, just select your text and click on B option, or right side I option, or U option for underline. Okay, suppose we want to make your text color, so click on that A option and click choose any color. Okay, so another important thing is, suppose we want to make our paragraph alignment. So you can see there are 4 types of alignment: left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify. Okay, one will use. So left alignment, just see, so left side all the margins, text margins are same, but right side margin is not same. Okay, so by default left alignment is, we can make it center alignment like this, or right alignment, right side all the margins are same, but left side there is no same margin. And if we'll use justify alignment, here both left side and right margin are same and it looks attractive. Okay, so we can use any other features like click on page layout option, then page size, just click on A4 size or any size you need, click, then click on orientation. 2 types, there is one portrait type, another is landscape type. If we click portrait type, so like this will come. If we click landscape type, then landscape wise it will come. So then click on margins. So margin, here many types of margins are there: normal, narrow, moderate, wide, but so by default it is normal size. Click on normal. Okay, then we'll go to page border option, page layout, page borders. So here some borders are there, just click. Some border styles are there, just thick lines, you just choose, and you can give colors also, border color, then click on OK. Like this border will come. You want to make decorative borders, art, click on art option, then we can choose any of the border design, whatever available there we can choose. Okay, so now we'll give page color option. So here choose, single colors are there, you can select, or fill effect, click. Here one color, 2 color options are there, you can choose 2 color at a time also, like this, color 1, color 2, then you select any one design, then click OK. Otherwise page color, fill effects, preset options are there, already preset colors are available, so we can choose any any one of the color design and select one and click on OK as per your choice. So another option is there, that is called watermark. Inbuilt watermarks are there, by default watermarks, but we can choose also any text or name whatever we want. We can write text watermark, click and write there project or any other text whatever required, then click apply. So now you see the watermark project is showing here. Suppose you want to make two color or two column or three column, just select your paragraph, anything you want to do, make it color, increase the size, text color. First you have to select your paragraph text, okay. So then click on page layout option, then columns option, then click on two columns. If you click two columns, so there you can see the image, two parts of columns are there. So now we will add bullets. How we will add bullets or numberings? Click on insert menu, then click on in insert menu. There is many options are there, like word art, header, footer, smart art, chart, clip art, picture, table, anything. Just select your text, then click on word art, then choose any word art design, then OK, click. So it will display. Suppose if you want to add bullets, then home option, home menu, click. So there is option, bullet option, you can choose according to your choice. You click any bullets, or you can give number option also. So there are also number options, 1 2 3 A B C I to I, any option you can choose, accordingly it will show, okay. So another way is there, just right click on there, then click on bullets or numberings option, whatever. Clip art pictures are there, just click on insert menu, then click on clip art. So here right side you can search any of the clip art pictures, or just click on go option, whatever image you need, just click there and it will display. On your Microsoft Windows Word menu. Another important features of Microsoft Word is mail merge. So we have to just click on mailings option, then click on start mail merge, then click on step by step mail merge wizard. So why we will use mail merge option? Because we can send any invitation letter or any letter to 100 recipients. We can send at a time a same letter to 100 recipients at a time. So we need a mail merge option. So click on start mail merge, then right side look. So here letters written. So first you have to prepare the letters whatever you have to send to others. Then click on next option, then click on next option, then click type or new list, then click create option. So you can see like this dialog box will appear. So here you will write the title of the recipient. So what is the topic you can write, or any title of that person, like Mr. first name. You can write the first name of the recipient, then last name, any company name, address, anything you need, just type there. Then click new entry option. Look at here. So new entry option is there. Just click and you can send another. You can write another name, title, first name, last name, and address, anything. So like this, new entry, click, and how much you need, how many recipients you want to send your letter. So just give the address, then click OK button. So now it will show you the source file name. Just write the file name, anything you want to save, then click save option, then click on OK button. So here next, just look here, next option, click next, write your letter, then next previous your letter. So before previous your letter, preview your letters, just make here, give some space. So write here to enter. Then so look here, address block option is there, address is there, Mr. anything, you just OK, click, then enter phrase, then greeting line option is there, click there. So here, dear Mr. Samal, so just click OK, then next preview your letters option, click, then complete the merge, then edit individual letters, OK, click. So now see the changes. So now look at here. So here written to Mr. Ajay Samal, BBA sir. So already we are given the recipient names, first page, then rest page, then another page. So there is written to another address to Mr. Saroj Naik, Katak, dear Mr. Naik. So here your whatever letter you have written. So this is called as mail merge. Very important features of Microsoft Word. So this is all about some of the features of Microsoft Office Word. So next class we will start Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. For today, thank you. Keep watching and enjoy the computer learning session class, online class. Bye bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel to get more updated videos. Thank you.